Hi everyone. Today we're going to be changing the computer screen on a Acer Aspire E5-551. But I think it's the same for any Aspire E5 computer. The procedure would be the same. A couple tools you'll need. A Phillips screwdriver, small. A small knife. Maybe a set of tweezers. We'll see when we get there. First thing we want to do is power down the computer and remove the battery. The battery is on the back. This area right here. Oh, it's got a little tab you got to push over, I think. Yeah, you got to push the tab over and the battery pops out. Next we have to remove the bezel. It's the frame that seals in the computer screen around the edge here. And the easiest way to do that is to just take your fingernails, get under the edge of it, and it'll just pop out. There. Start on the left side. Get your fingernails in behind the back there. Don't pull too hard, you don't want to like break the bezel. But they pop out. Then you can lay the computer screen down, and it pops out of there. Next, there are 4 screws holding the screen in. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is where we use our little Phillips screwdriver. Watch out, these are very small and you'll want to reuse them, so don't lose them. This is one of the easier ones to change. Some computers have screws holding in the bezel that you have to remove, but not this one. There's the 4. Then the computer screen should pop out. Popping out at the bottom here. some wiring around the edge. Careful you don't pull that out. Alright. And you can just lay it down on the keyboard. Like that. The next step is to remove the connector. There's some tape holding it on. This is where the knife can come in handy. It's sticky tape, so you and then you carefully remove the connector. And the screen is removed. Make sure you dispose of that properly. Check with your waste management people in your area. Here's the new screen. Ordered online from Laptop Screens. So it's got a protective cover on it, so you can just lay that down on the keyboard. If you don't have a protective cover on the screen, you should put down a paper towel or something to protect the screen. Then you connect the connector. Make sure it's seated well. And put the tape down again. Tape holds it in there. And put the screen back to reinstall it. Screws are quite small. Fortunately, this is a magnetic screwdriver, so it holds it on there once you get it in place. Good idea to remove the protective film. Then you can replace the bezel. Just squeeze it gently around the edges. Then we'll replace the battery, power up our computer, make sure it's all good. Thanks for watching.